there's some patches of blue. No, I have a moving weather map site, and it should be over by about 8:30 or so. I just hope there aren't fires. So you're on channel 13? I wonder if that's the same as our 13. Oh. Listen. He was taking movies, but he's inside now. He has his grandson. Oh. No. No, it's just comfortable. It was hot, but now it's cooled off a little. Yeah. Well, I'm glad that it's going to be... Whoa! I'm glad that it's going to be over before dark. It'll be over by, I think, around 8:30 or 8:45 or something. And I'll put my video on YouTube. Oh, there was another one. Alrighty, thanks for calling. Bye. Ingrid. She had her TV on, and there was one of those alerts, you know, when it goes and it said, if you were on Lake Almanor, get off. Oh.
So you'd be watching TV out on...
So she was nervous. Jeez. Just hope it doesn't start fires.
I think that was kind of a dumb alert. Who's watching TV?
No one's watching TV out on a boat, but you could call somebody, you know, like Ingrid. If she thought we were out on the lake, she could call us. But who in their right mind would be out on the lake when they see this, right?
I don't have to see more.